I clicked the support button on my health insurer's website. It gave me 6 or 7 reasons for my call. None of them fit. So I typed human. It gave me the same list again. That's the problem with customer service today, and no, it's not an AI problem, it's a design problem. More details on that in a moment. Just a quick reminder, Compassionate Geeks On-Demand Training teaches IT teams how to communicate with empathy, diffuse frustration, and create positive customer experiences. There's a link right below where you can register your team right now. We keep arguing about AI versus humans. Meanwhile, customers are just trying to get help. I've had bad experiences with both, humans who didn't listen, systems that wouldn't flex. Here's what customers actually want. Solve my problem, make it easy, don't make me fight your system. Too many support systems are built around internal processes instead of customer needs. They're rigid, they force people into boxes. And when the issue doesn't fit, everything breaks. And let's be clear, humans design these systems, so when they fail, it's on us humans. Even AI needs to operate with empathy. That means giving people a clear path, letting them explain what's going on, and making it easy to reach a real person when needed. Because customers don't care how your system works, they care that it works, and how easy you are to work with. Which brings me back to that insurance website. I still didn't get my question answered. Not because the technology failed, but because the system was designed by a human to control the conversation instead of solve the problem. Don't do that to your customers. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? You'll find tips and training to empower your team to be easy to work with at CompassionateGeek.com.